In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to unban a temporary or an indefinitely suspended Twitch account. Watch my video completely till the end. If you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your Twitch account was banned. I'm very sorry about that, but I will do my best to help you on this matter by giving you two possible solutions to this problem. So the first solution is simple and easy. I'm sure you already know it. When your account gets banned, you get a notification and you have a separate section on Twitch to actually appeal to that ban. So you could just log into appeals.twitch.tv and you could see all your enforcements or notifications out here regarding different violations on your account. So you could just select the violation out here that you actually get, and you're going to get a description box to appeal, to give them a reason why you would want to get your account unbanned and stuff like that. So just put in a message, okay, explain everything to them that you didn't do anything wrong. If you actually did not do anything wrong, you should get a response within like 2 or 3 working days, and appeals should be done within 60 days of getting these violations out here. If you do not get a response, if you do not get any help, but you still think that you are innocent, you haven't done anything wrong, you could try the second method, which is even more simple, straightforward and easy. Do a Google search for Google Play, get to Google Play and do a search for Twitch. Click on Twitch and get to the page out here. Scroll down a bit, click on App Support, and you are going to see an email address out here. Get to your email, compose an email, and then you paste that email address out here. You copy it, and in the subject line you just put in "my account was banned or disabled for no reason. Hi team, I received an email from you guys on a specific date," whenever you got it, "regarding my account being banned for whatever reason they gave you in an email, which is actually not the case. I have been using Twitch in accordance to your terms and conditions. Please could you check and see if you could unban my account so that I could use it going further. Your Twitch handle or ID, your email address, regards, sign off." So just send them an email at this email address to see if these guys can help you out. Try these two methods and see if it works for you, if your account gets unbanned. If it does, do let me know in the comment section below. If it doesn't get unbanned even after doing these two things, just send me an email. We'll look for a solution together for this problem. Till then, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.